We're in a very unique part of Minnesota. We're in they call it the Glacier Ridge. It's an ideal spot for cattle here in Minnesota. We had the opportunity to purchase this farm from Mark Frederickson, and we took our boys and kept it a family business and switched from raising Limousin cattle to Simmental cattle. Me and Tom Hook are the same age. I knew Tom from 4-H days, always had a high respect for him. We enjoyed visiting. And so I went to Tom for advice on which genetics to buy. Just needed to learn the breed. Tom sold me a group of cows. We started marketing together under the name that he had established, the Bred for Balance name. It really represents our breeding philosophy. You can create a balance of multiple traits.
It doesn't matter whether it's in ag or in life. Normally most success is achieved when you're dealing with the balance of activities or traits and keeping everything in a balanced approach. And I found that genetics worked out to be the same way.
I always seen right away that the Simmental cattle complemented them Angus cattle as much as anybody. They really got the extra pop, the muscle come out, the growth, expression.
We like the efficiency. We like the genetics that can produce a very superior type of a product for the consumer. They work well with the producer in terms of calving ease, growth, maternal traits, and then the subsequent carcass traits that go along with it. And so all those add up to profitability.
Our consumer is wanting our product produced more and more naturally. The Simmental can add the extra amount of muscle to them straight Angus cattle and get some yield without giving up the grading ability. Stayability is the most profitable trait. And when you think of that, even on an operation, a family operation, stayability, longevity is very important. And I feel like the Simmental breed has attracted a very good nucleus of people that are focused on the beef industry to make the right genetics to move the industry forward.
Bred for Balance is going to continually strive to make advancements in the genetic quality of its herd and to try to provide a product that is reliable and consistent and is of the highest quality possible.
My dad always had the saying, and he told us over and over, that you need to leave the land better for the next generation than what you took it on as. And you know, that's a pretty high bar, but my dad always set pretty high bars, and we really feel like we're trying to do that. I wanted to pick a career where I could take my family with me to work. You know, I started when the boys were just a very young age, and they would be out there with me checking cows, and to work side by side is a great opportunity.
This ranch here, the cows consist of both purebred and Sim Angus. We have both red and blacks. We calve in January, February, and March, and then sell our bulls on our annual sale in the second Friday in February.
We're kind of where we want to be herd size wise, so we will continue to market quality females as well as continue to add bulls as we grow our customer base. I think that's a big thing of where we can go, is continue to build relationship with our bull customers and capture value of bull customers' calves.
My happy place is on my four-wheeler, out in the cows, checking calves. I would say it all comes down to that, is sitting out in the cows and enjoying the peacefulness. It really puts life into perspective.